What's going on, you guys? It's been a minute since we've been able to shoot a video on the channel. We're going to get into that. We got to do a couple things on the truck. I got to talk about the disaster that I had with this. We'll talk about the Celica, and then we'll get into this video.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Feeny.
Storm that destroyed the corner of the steel building. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I know it's been like a month since I uploaded video, and I apologize. It's just, life is crazy. Apparently I'm at the age where everybody has to get married. So the last 4 weeks I've been out of town Thursday through Sunday, and just with everything else going on, it just put kind of the kibosh on uploads for a little while. So I've had some ideas and we got a lot to talk about. This right here, my 2000 F-150. I wanted to give you guys a little update on how she's doing. We actually fixed the AC, thank God, before I went to a family reunion a few weeks ago. Took her on like a 250-mile drive or so, and if you haven't seen this truck before, this is the daily driver. We got the Fox body, we got the Celica. All right, so if you look right here where this bracket bolts to hold the tailgate on the hinge here, this completely rusted out on the inside of the hinge. So I might have wrapped it in electrical tape and then filled it with JB Weld and waited for it to cure so it was solid. And then the interesting part is down here. So I got this metal strapping because you can see the rust holes in the bed right there. The sides of the bed over here and right over there actually would like flex out and the tailgate would fall off or not close. So what I did is I put this strapping on the back side of this bracket, bolted it in, ratchet strapped the box from side to keep it in place where I needed it, and then I self-tapped this strapping all the way across the back. Guys, you have no idea how happy this makes me. Alright guys, so initially I wanted to go for a drive in the Celica with you, but as you can see, it's not the nicest day outside, so we're gonna nix that for today, and we're gonna go up to the office and just talk about this a little bit. Alright guys, so yeah, the Celica is pretty much done. What do we have left to do? I put that little clip in there of me and my old man working on the lift. We had to seal up a few leaks that, I don't know, I love the Max Jacks, but there's a few parts of the design where the fittings go into the lift itself that are just crap. It was kind of a pain in the butt to get that figured out, but now that that's buttoned up, the Celica just needs wheel well liners. I got to put the door panels back inside. But yeah, so the Celica just needs the wheel well liners installed. I got to put the door panels back on the inside of the car, and then I want to put the coilovers in. Kind of need the lift for that, so we're going to do that. As far as the truck goes, I did that because initially Bryce was not able to come this weekend, and then we got it worked out so that we were able to finish. I actually thought I was going to have to order a little more Nardo gray for a few spots, and we were able to finish and get it done basically with what we had. So that all ended up awesome, and I'm super excited to have the car back on the road. You know, for this season, I'm still toying with the idea of getting the nitrous kit hooked up on it. Hey Chester. Hey buddy. What up? Do you like the Celica? So yeah, I'm still thinking about getting the nitrous kit hooked up. I don't know for sure yet. I've dumped a lot of money into this car, and that would mean it would be down for another extended period of time while we got all that figured out. So that might be a next year thing. I also got to get the oil pump gears upgraded and put that new oil pan on. So for now, I might just stick with the coilovers and enjoy the thing. You know, we got summer, we got to get some videos in. We're burning our summer months right now, so I kind of just want to get it to some car shows and enjoy it and drive it, you know, and take you guys with. So another thing I'm going to do is hit up Lucian. You guys have seen him on the channel before, and we're going to get some awesome fancy rollers and different stuff like that with the car. So we're gonna have fun with it, you know, for the summer. The truck, like I said, I fixed the AC. That's just a daily. I'm gonna start having maybe a little bit of fun with it, but you know, we'll see what happens. So again, you guys, sorry we've been kind of MIA. Life's been crazy lately. Everyone decided to get married apparently I'm in the part of your life, like I said, that every one of your friends is deciding to get married. So I've been gone for like the last month, Thursday through Sunday. So hopefully we can get back on track now. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. If you like this little update video, drop me a comment down below, like and subscribe if you have not already, and we'll see you next time.